This tutorial will cover handling notifications. Login. When you are logged in, you will notice that from time to time you'll get quick tips. This tip is indicating how you can add new companies. Semsol AIS allow you to be able to manage multiple accounts, and these accounts are dealt with independently of each other. You manage those accounts using the same login credentials. So if you have 2 or 3 accounts that you're managing, once you log in, you'll be able to see the different companies appearing here. And if you would like to create a new company, that's what this notification is about. So add company, use this link to add another company to your profile. Okay, to get rid of your notifications, simply press OK. Got it. Here you'll find multiple tips recurring. Note the tip, and once you're satisfied, OK. Got it. Similarly, another tip about report menu. OK, got it. And the final tip about expense processing. Once you've noted the tip, OK, got it. Another type of notifications that you'll observe are those that appear at the top of the screen. In this particular notification, there are possibly 2 sets of action items. The first is click here for details. So it's telling us that privacy policy and terms of service formally added. Continue usage indicate agreement. Click here for details. If we click here, it will take us to the terms of service, and we can see the details that it's drawing our attention to. Let's go back to our tab. So once we have actioned the details that they are asking us to action, then we can now confirm that we noted the notification. Without this confirmation, the notification will recur each time we log in, unless the notification has expired. In which case, if the notification expired, then you will not see the notification occurring again. However, once this is actioned, the notification will no longer recur. So to get rid of the notification, we press OK, got it. So clicking OK, got it, the notifications will no longer recur. There you go.